Hello and welcome to Otic Geosystems. Today I'll be showing you how you can apply a previous project settings to your new project. Let's dive in. So first you launch the Survey Master app. Next thing you're going to do is to create your project.
Device connected.
So
Port.
create
Rover.
a project
PVACOIS.
and we're going to name it training. Then we're going to select datum, Lagos vector 4. Okay. Our joint model is in use. Okay. Then okay again.
Dot fixed.
So our project has successfully been created. You can then go ahead and connect your device if it's not connected. Mine is already connected. Then apply your work mode. So you can apply your work mode, then go ahead and survey. So for the accuracy can meet alarm, you go to topo survey page, click on settings and set your HRMS and VRMS to 0.15. Then go back and it saves. So we have successfully set up this project. So let's create a new project so you can see how you can apply the old project settings to the new project settings. So you go back to project, create new. So for this I'm going to name it training 2. So I'm not going to select any datum. You can see above the datum store you can see
Fixed.
reuse project. So I'm just going to check that on. Because we have only one project, you can see a list here. So other projects you have created will drop down here. So you select from the list of projects the project settings you want to apply to this new project. So because there's only one project in my folder, which is training 1, that's why I'm only seeing it. So I'll select training 1. Then you can see the list of things that you can bring in from the old project to this new project. You can see code template. If you have a code template, you can see project setting, that's our HRMS, VRMS, and all the other settings that you did in the previous project. Datum is default already, it's automatically checked, so you can't edit that. You have your control point, you have your input point, you can bring in stake point here. So we'll just be using project settings for the purpose of this exercise. Then okay. So to test this, we'll just check on this. So you can see it applied the coordinate system from the previous project. We have Lagos vector 4 as our coordinate system. So let's check the survey page where we applied our HRMS and VRMS. So I'm at the topo survey page for the new project. Click on settings. You can see our HRMS and VRMS remains the same. That's 0.15. So that's how you can save your project settings and also transfer them to new projects. Thank you and do enjoy the rest of your day.